Morning guys, she's about a week and a half since we've been up to the Miramichi last. Hearing reports there's a lot more stripers around, so that's the species we're targeting. Let's get at them. We'll start off with our Savage Gear sand eels. Got that one in kind of like a chartreuse pink, and we got that in a chartreuse green or yellow. Gonna let out about 75 and 85 feet of line. I think we're going to troll for the first little bit. You guys know how much I love trolling. We haven't marked any fish on the finder yet, but it's just a matter of time before we see them. I suspect they'll get a little more active when she warms up some. Fate just kind of brought me here, I think. Wow, check this out. I'm pretty sure that's an eagle feather, guys. That is awesome. I have to stick that somewhere prominent. Oh, guys, we got a fish on there. I think we got a fish, guys. Yes, we do. What is that? Yes, it is. Little schoolie. Okay, here we go. Check him out, guys. There he is, little schoolie. Yeehaw! There's a fish, guys. Oh, we lost him. Nice to hear that old scream of the reel. Have to check that. Looks like the water temperature came up over 10 degrees the last week and a half. Guys, we got a bite. There he is. Yes, sir. Now, we need to get this one in. Let's turn that off now. Quite a little mayhem. Only feels like a small guy, but we'll take him. Oh, there he goes. He's fighting a little harder now. Okay, lost him right there. Got a fish on, guys. Here we go. Here he comes. Roy, you got a net over there, buddy? Yeah. Well, this ain't gonna qualify for one. Yeah. Little small guy. Guys, we got a fish on there? Yes, we do. Yep, we got one. There he is. Where's he at? Come on now. Putting up a half decent fight. Oh, there he goes. There he is. Nice fish, guys. I'm gonna check that leader. It's okay, everything's all closed up. Back out she goes. About 85 feet. Line clicker on. My gosh, guys. Check that out. That was a big thunderous hit there. I was going to head up here a little ways and cast, but I don't think I will now. Oh yeah, he got some more fight to him, that guy. Whoa! Not much, but man, did he ever fight hard. A little tickle. Guys, got a fish on. There we go. Oh, we're doubled up. You see that? We were doubled up, guys. Oh yeah. We did have a double header on there. This guy's pulling good. Oh, geez, check that bend of that rod, guys. Maybe not. Nice fish. Fish on, guys. Oh, did we lose him? No, he's still there. Thought we lost him, but he's still here. There he is. Because even those small ones fight some hard. Ooh, easy. Got another one on. Oh, we had a double header, guys. Oh, I think we lost this guy. No, he's still on. Come on now. There he is. Oh, he's probably a little bit bigger than normal. Oh, splash, splash, splash. I might have to lip him. There we go. How about that? Not a bad fish. The bite certainly is picking up the last hour or so. Probably landed about a dozen fish. Fingers crossed, there's more to come. Got a bite on there, guys? Yes, we do. There we go. Man, oh man. That bite has really picked up the last few hours. Oh, we got 20 more feet. Oh, take and drag. Look at that. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. Gosh, only a little schoolie too. A 25-pound leader. That's the ticket for these guys. Got the water wolf out. Let's see what's down there. We on, guys? I think we're on. Yep, there's a fish. Oh, he's fighting a little bit. Oh my God, guys. Got one on the water wolf. We doubled up. Check that out. Oh, did he come off? No, I think he's still on. He's still on. And he's pulling drag. Oh my God. Pandemonium. Let's get this guy in though. There we go. Whoa. Yeah, he's still on there, guys. Let's bring this one in now. Now, probably kill that trolling motor. Or Bixby, I should say. Actually, oh my gosh, seemed to have some good fight to him too, guys. Yep. Not a bad fish. Another schoolie. There's a fish, guys. Okay, we're on. Just take our time, slowly reel him in. He's barreling down now. Okay, off at the boat. Guys, we're doubled up. Yes, we are. We're doubled up. Okay. Okay, we got 2 fish on, boys. Let's see if we can get this one in first. Oh, just take our time. Okay. A little screwy. Now, number 2. We can get him in. He's still on there too. Oh, geez. It's a little screwy too. There he is. Fish on, guys. Oh, double header. There we go. We're on. We're doubled up again. Oh my God. The bite is crazy right now, guys. Now we got to be careful of these guys right here. There's one. This guy's still on. Yes, he is. Another schoolie again. Oh, we got a fish on. Must have came back. Another one did. There he is. Little guy. We on? Yep, we got a fish on there, guys. We're on. Oh man. Now, see if we can double up. Oh, there we go. We got another one on. Listen to him screaming. Every time we go by here, we're doubling up, guys. Oh. There we go. Now, do we still have this other guy on? He's still on. Yes, he is. We'll shut that motor down. We don't need that on right now. Oh! This guy got a little more weight to him. Okay. Go. Okay, that's probably the biggest of the day, I'm going to say. Definitely a keeper. Not bad. Whew. This is the honey hole. Look at that. Never even got the words out of my mouth, guys, when we got one. Okay. Oh, look, doubled up. Doubled up. Oh, did we lose him? No, he's still on there. Yep. There he comes. Bounce him off the boat. Let's get this guy in. He's still on. Well, son, we can't get past the boys here without doubling up. Okay. Yep, little guy. Oh, there we go. There we go, we're on. Oh, we're doubled up. There we go, boys. Hang on. There he is. Man, he swallowed that cigar. Little schoolie. Another one on right here. Only in 5 feet of water right here. Okay. No, that's not good. Close to 6 o'clock, guys, and time for us to get back to the launch. We've been on the water for probably about 11 hours. Caught a couple dozen fish. Couldn't be happier. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Until next time, stay safe.